Okay, say something, Harry.
Happy birthday!
Christmas hat.
Oh, I wanted this! Well, you got it! Whoa, it has the sword too? I need this so much. Wait, I need to see the back. That's so cool. Ooh, I'm opening really fast.
I see.
Whoa, Colin, just Lego. Whoa, a Beyblade. Oh yeah, Beyblade. That's so cool. Wait, Lego with the Blue Ranger and Master Xandred.